Hi everybody, this is Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards, and I am coming on to do a little Friday night late night video. I'm up trying to finish that sweet fruit salad card that I was working on, and I had mentioned that I was working on my craft room a bit this week, so I thought I would just do a quick pan of just my desk area. I kind of went through all my supplies and just reorganized a little bit this week. I'm still working on my craft room, but this just kind of gives you an idea of what my desk looks like and my desk area. And I always have stuff on my desk. My desk is never perfectly clean because I'm always crafting. And anybody that crafts knows that when you craft, you make a mess and then you have to clean up. So anyway, I thought I would come on really quick and just share the finished version of my little fruit salad card. And again, if you're not familiar with this beautiful stamp, this is from Adornit and Diana Markham's art. And this is available on the Adornit Facebook page. You can go to their video tab. You can see an entire video that explains the Recipe Stamp Club. And I will put links down below. So if you're interested in Diana Markham stamps, these are available. They'll be available for the entire year. And depending on when you sign up, you'll get the stamps that are available. So if you haven't signed up yet, I think you'll be starting with the June stamp, which I don't have the June stamp yet, I don't believe, unless this is June. I think this is, maybe this is June. I don't have the July set yet, so I can't tell you what that is yet. I think it's a honey bun, but I don't want to say that for sure. But if you sign up in June, I think you get the fruit salad stamp as your first stamp, depending on when you sign up. But you can find out more at the Adornit website. And then there are some a la carte stamps available on the Adornit website directly under the stamping section and under Diana Markham stamps. Okay, so I will link some information down below if you're interested, but I wanted to just come on really quick and show you how I finished the card. I used this die from Mama Elephant, and does this have a name on it? I don't think it does. This is an older die set that creates a panel with just a scalloped edge on the top and the bottom. And I needed something that I would be able to cut down to fit onto an A2 card front a little bit because I wanted to be able to cut a scallop for the top and bottom of the card in this color from the blue that I colored the bowl in. And I did add, just so you know, the people that watched my coloring video earlier this morning, I did come back in and do a second round of coloring like I always do, where I add all my shading. You can tell that I added shading to the lip of the bowl. I added some more shading here. I recolored the background one more time, and I did touch up pretty much everything. And then I also stamped some of the freeform stamps that are in the set, these little flowers and this here, and as well as another one of the berries. And I created this little vignette down at the bottom corner. And so that's there, and they are popped up on pop dots. Okay, so that's how I finished the card. And then the inside has that same Mama Elephant frame and then a little flower. And my back just has my Greenwood Girl Cards tag on it. So just a very beautiful fruit salad stamp from Diana. Hello, Diana, if you're watching, and to everybody at Adornit. I just had a lot of fun making this card. So I wanted to come on and just show you the finished product. And then I have been working behind the scenes. I guess I can leave that in frame so you can look at it if you want. I've been working behind the scenes on some digital stamps. And I pulled out tonight the Garden Face assortment, and some of the Garden Face assortments are the stamps that I have in my Jill Favorites Peachy Keen stamp set. If you don't have that stamp set, it's a wonderful stamp set of faces of all different sizes, so you can buy one stamp set and have enough faces to work on almost all of your gingerbreads, I would say. I went through the American market as well as some of the British market, but I pulled all of the gingerbread dies that I have, and I tried to make sure that I had a face that fit every single one. I also created some cheeks and some smaller faces to fit on the really tiny gingerbreads. And so that Jillian's face assortment is in the Peachy Keen website store. But tonight I pulled out this Garden Face assortment, which is PK 1320. And the stamp that I used is this one right here, this tiny little 3/8 inch face with the little eyelashes. So that's what I used. And then what I thought I would show you is I am working on some digital stamps for a company I'm calling Homespun Heart. And you know me, I love anything that's kind of homespun, old-fashioned, Little House on the Prairie, Jane Eyre, I don't know. I just like kind of homespun items and more of an old-fashioned take on what I create. And so I have been drawing for, I think, I'm trying to remember when I started. I guess it's been about a year. But I try to draw a little bit every day. I try to draw a stamp image every day. And so I'm starting to feel like maybe I'm getting the hang of it. But this is actually one of the first ones that I ever drew and colored. And I thought it would be fun to just come on and share this. And I did hide my name in here. It says Jill right there. And then, of course, it has my very favorite word on it, the word joy. So I just thought I would come on and share this tonight. I'm hoping that I'm going to be sharing not only Christmas tags made with all the wonderful products that all of our wonderful stamp companies create here, but also being able to share some of my own art created for Christmas. And specifically, I'm wanting to do this so that I can give Christmas tags to my family where the art is actually drawn by me this year as something a little bit different. I've been doing Christmas tags for a long time, and I just wanted to try and do something that was more directly related to my creating. So that's what I'm doing, and I thought I would come on and just share this sweet little ginger girl that says joy. And you'll notice that she has a tiny little boy ginger in her pocket, and that represents my son Tim. So I just think this turned out really cute. It's very simple. It's imperfect. It's homespun, if you will. So be gentle. The tag base that I used to show you this is this Paper Smooches die. It's called Tag Zigzag. This has been in my stash for many, many, many years. I don't know if this is something that's still available. Matter of fact, I haven't even been to the Paper Smooches website in a long time. I hope they're still in business. But anyway, that's the die that I used. And then I used a beautiful Stampin' Up! Embossing folder that I got, I think last year, or maybe it was this year, early this year. No, I think it was last year. Anyway, it has these little hearts on it, and I just took my white, a white sponge dauber from my sponge dauber case here, and I did put some white ink on it just to bring out the embossing. So those are the little hearts that you see behind the little gingerbread. So that's everything I wanted to share tonight. I want to thank you guys for always leaving me such wonderful comments, and sharing art with me. And I look forward, I hope you guys enjoy my Saturday Morning Makes video tomorrow morning. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. This is one of the cards that you're going to see. I have 5 cards I'm sharing tomorrow morning. And I think it's 6 if you include the one that Emma made when she sent me my design team package. But I am guest designing for her this month. And this is a card that is going to go out to my beautiful mother for her birthday. And it says, Mom, everything I am, you helped me to be. So you'll get to see the rest of this card, the inside and the back, which is very special. Tomorrow morning on Saturday Morning Makes, the video will go live very early East Coast time. I think it's either 3 or 4 a.m. that it's going to go live. But it'll be up early so that no matter where you live, you'll be able to see it in your early morning hours with your cup of coffee. So grab a cup of coffee and join me for Saturday Morning Makes tomorrow. I cannot wait to see what everybody is making and creating, okay? I filmed my video actually Thursday night because I do have some commitments this weekend that I have to take care of, but I'm hoping to still be able to go around and take a look at all of your projects and just enjoy everything that everybody shares. So everyone have a wonderful weekend, and thank you for coming on tonight and taking a look at my little fruit salad card and my little gingerbread tag. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I'll be back with you very soon, and you'll definitely hear my voice when you watch my video tomorrow morning for Saturday Morning Makes. All right, bye now.